All right, class. Today we are going to learn something new. Yes, Dark Snowbuddy Bro?
Can I, please, use the restroom?
Sure, but be quick. I have a class to teach.
I'm going to make a blizzard and freeze the school so that there will be no more school. Yes, the school is completely frozen. Now there won't be any school today. Nothing can stop me now, not even. Crap. It's Vice Principal Joshua, the Animal Crossing fan 2003.
Dark Snowbuddy Bro, why is the school frozen? Care to explain?
Alright, I didn't want school to happen, so I made a blizzard and froze the school.
What? Oh my gosh! Dark Snowbuddy Bro, what in the world is wrong with you? Do you have any idea how long it took for the school to be built? Now it'll take a very long time to thaw the school out. That's it. You're expelled forever. Go home now.
Dark Snowbuddy Bro, Dark Snowbuddy Bro, Dark Snowbuddy Bro, Dark Snowbuddy Bro, Dark Snowbuddy Bro. Get over here, right now. Oh, my freaking God, Dark Snowbuddy Bro, we cannot believe you made a blizzard, froze the school, and got expelled forever. Now it'll take a long time to thaw the school out.
I'm sorry, Mom, Dad, and Snowbuddy Bro. I just didn't want school to happen.
Well, you should have thought about that before you decided to make a blizzard and freeze the school.
And because of what you did, you are grounded until the teacher and principal can thaw the school out, or at some point, get you a new school. Go to your room, right now. Well, that's just great.